And we don't have the camera going. I don't know why. We'll try it. I guess we can't. I don't know why. YouTube seems to have not put it out there. So we're just going to go with it. Wildfire smoke may have contributed to thousands of extra COVID cases and deaths. I'm going to try to give you some takeaway messages from this. Really? I will. I will try to give you some takeaway messages. Hopefully, we can get that going. Thousands of cases of COVID-19 and deaths in California, Oregon, and Washington between March and December of 20 may be attributable to increases in fine particulate air pollution from wildfire smokes, according to a new study. Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. Study is the first to quantify the degree to which increases in this pollution during wildfires contributed to excess COVID cases and deaths, which was published August 13th, 2021 in the Journal of Science Advances. Here's my point. If masks worked so dang well, and we understand that wildfire particulate is much, much, much bigger in particulate size than wildfire smoke. Yet wildfire smoke got through the masks. So what good are those masks doing to us? Think about that. The year 2020 brought unimaginable challenges in public health with the convergence of COVID, pandemic, and wildfires across the western United States. In this study, we're providing evidence that climate change. I can't believe that this is where we're going. We can't just accept the fact that this god-awful virus is just god-awful. No, climate change is contributing to this. Climate change is contributing to that. Climate change is contributing to everything from floods on out. But COVID, really? Francesca Dominici said that. In 2020, at the same time the nation was contending with the COVID-19 pandemic, huge wildfires swept across the U.S., including some of the largest ever in California and Washington. Wildfires produced high levels of fine particulate matter, which has been linked to a host of negative health outcomes. Obviously, the researchers from Harvard Chan School and the John Paulson School of Engineering, there's somebody you want taking care of your health, School of Engineering, in the Environmental Systems Research Institute in Redland, California, there's some liberal think tank, built and validated a statistical model to quantify the extent to which the wildfire smoke may have contributed to excess COVID-19 cases and deaths. They looked at the connection between country and daily level data on the air pollution. They said 95% of the pollution stayed in those three states. The researchers accounted for factors such as weather, population size, societal patterns of social distancing, and mass gatherings. The study found that from August 15th to October 15th, 2020, when the fire activity was the greatest, daily levels of this particulate matter in the wildfires were significantly higher, and we had more COVID cases. Wildfires amplified the effects on COVID-19 cases and deaths up to 4 weeks after exposure. You know, I could sit back and say, yeah, but I'm going to just bring up this one point. If we've been stressing, and especially in those three states, that you got to wear your mask, you got to wear your mask, you got to wear your mask. If it didn't take out the particulate matter from fires, how could it stop a virus? When the researchers looked at individual wildfire days and individual counties, they found that Butte, California, and Whitman, Washington had the highest percentage of total COVID-19 cases attributable to high levels of this smoke. How can you tie those two things together? Across the three-state study, the cumulative number of COVID-19 cases and deaths attributable to daily increases in wildfires was respectively 19,700. Climate change will likely bring warmer and drier conditions to the West. Why? How do we know that? Providing more fuel for fires to consume and further enhance fire activity, the study provides policymakers with key information regarding how the effects of one global crisis, climate change, can have cascading effects on the current. You know what? You guys are all full of it. You're looking for excuses. You're looking for pieces of a puzzle that just aren't there. If the masks are so doggone well, and that's the foundation of everything that you do, if they're so doggone good, Why didn't they stop this? I'm sorry, when I read these kind of things, I get fired up. I really do. So again, short and sweet, I apologize for you not being able to see me, although I'm a little sweaty because I just got done trying to golf today. It was a miserable day and it rained. But anyway, the number, if you have comments about this, you want to send me a comment, Len, Len at thenutritionshop.net. Email me directly, or info at thenutritionshop.net. Or check us out on the website at thenutritionshop.net. Or call me at the office, 678-228-8900. We'll try to get the camera working next time. God bless you, folks. See you back here soon.